as many of you would know, that we've been in this area for 25 years, not 95. 25 years we started actually Rolling Hill Drive from here, and from there on we had 100 acres and we kept working on it. And the purpose one of the objectives that we developed that we want to satisfy is that we wanted to establish an area where people are comfortable and happy to be living in. They're seeking to live in it. And certainly the quality of life was an essential element in our development. And then the idea in Moscow of parks. That parks is a wonderful idea. And that really fits our goal and objectives. And so when I see this is outstanding. And it's going to be a really nice satisfaction of, quality of life in this area.
Well, good afternoon, everybody, and this is so neat. This is a neighborhood park, and this is the vision, as Dr. Itani had said, Rafik. You're absolutely correct. This is the vision that a lot of us here in Moscow sees. This is a neighborhood park, and so the folks right here that came with their kids and adults, this is your park. And the thing I love about this is, as we go along, if you want to decide to plant a tree or help or do other amenities to this park as it goes along, you'll be able to do this, and it will be your park. This is your neighborhood. This is your park. And so there's nothing better than seeing kids play. I love to see kids play. We've got a problem in this country with childhood diabetes. We need kids swinging around, climbing on things. Yes, and they need to fall. And this stuff here, and they fall on, it's safe. When I was a kid, it was rocks and cement or dirt, and you just got skinned up, and that's the way it was. And so this is great to see kids enjoying this and having a good time.
I wanted to talk about a little bit of project highlights on this. So in early June, we started the dirt work. This was in preparation for the concrete pad and the concrete sidewalk to get to the playground. We're looking at 4,486 square feet of concrete. So once the concrete was installed by a contractor, our parks crew, Calvin Macy, the park supervisor, Nate Posnick, Travis Seltenreich, Roy Bremenauer, they worked their magic here. And so they started putting in the playground. It takes a real specialized thing to do that. They're all certified playground installers. With the playground installed, it was time to turn around to landscaping. So again, the parks crew, as amazing as they are, installed the irrigation, they planted the trees, they put in the trash can, they did some grading in here. Prior to all that, they built the structure around the porta potty. So a real skilled group of guys there, and my hat's off to them. So I can't express how pleased I am with how this playground and park turned out, and I really appreciate everybody coming out tonight. Great turnout, and I will turn it over to Mayor Lambert for the official ribbon cutting.
Okay, ready? Let's start at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! The park is officially open.